about Obaze City Naija boss. Person don already come, cry, come meet me this evening. I don dey get series of complaints from that Igbomo community where people dey complain every day. People dey complain every day oh, and they always tell them say, give me evidence, I go talk put. If you no give me evidence, I no go talk put. So this evening, Stanley, abeg make una share this video. Anywhere Stanley dey, make una invite am, make e come lis ten. Abeg, Stanley, you know say you be member of concern Edo Youth Against Land Grabbing. Una create office for una sef. Shebi una dey meet for Blessing office for Airport Road. And una say una dey help people dey resolve land issues. I salute you, mama. Wa talk me. So una say una dey help people dey resolve land issue. Me before that, if people come and say they get land problem, I dey refer them to una. But I dey tell them say if una ask them for money, make them base. But make say una don't dey help people, una go fit help them. So Stanley, so I beg anywhere Stanley dey, make una help me invite am. So say where Kotisugbo, no Kotisugbo get he also get his own this thing. Then make una tell them when they come. I don't want to talk too much unto who I be. Make it not come like say I come online because they be me and they'll say Abba no feel like Osakwonokwo. Now why he come online? The time when me and Osakwonokwo they talk, maybe I for call up for phone. Like I say, how far now? What did they go on for your community? See somebody, they don't cut person hand though. As you speak now, somebody the person dey hospital. I beg, make you resolve this matter. Since na your community. The last time when we went and see for Edo GIS, now they always preach the mature, I greet am for Edo GIS. He boof me, begin to insult me. I said, why you dey insult me? they insult me, say who me be, me na small boy for the town. If you say me quack me na small boy. I say, now see your phone runs me you can't do for here. I just say make I holler you. But from the way he cut the verse, it shows say that matter of Ohe of Okoromi when I not join them, I don't know give them the contract to worry Ohe. So but because me not join them, I was only interested in the teacher getting her land back. But they wanted me to join them to say, Operation Bring Down Ohe. I said, that will not concern me. What did the teacher want? Her land back. And what did the teacher tell me? And by the grace of God, the Lord, it doesn't say they don't even call me to thank me. I was able to retrieve the woman's land. The teacher got her land back. She get good relationship with the community. No, but she don't say she dey go side now. They can't go beat her. Or they follow her, they fight. Or maybe she say she won't go put cement for them and they'll go destroy the place. I was able to help her retrieve her land. Make sure say she and the Ohe and the community they meet, they talk. What's going on? Please, Instagram, if you are still here, just type yes. I don't know what's happening, what's wrong with this phone. Instagram, if you are still watching me live, please, I need you to type yes. Facebook, please, if you are watching live and you can still see me, please just type yes. Facebook and Instagram, please type yes. If you see me, type yes, because I don't understand this connection. So, by the grace of God, teacher, okay, yes, Instagram today they watch me live. Teacher get her land back. Teacher get good relationship with the community. As we speak, teacher is a CFO holder. Now my money, I can't follow teacher go there. Now my money I take do the survey. The chairman Edo GIS come help us facilitate the CFO. As we speak, that land now don't get CFO. So Stanley Osakwonokwodim, now what I also want make you do for me, make you do for us. We know I not get personal issue with you, but this matter, many people don't they bring it go more matter come for me. I tell you, I know the fit talk put. Before they will say, hey, Albert is just talking about Igbomo because Stanley. But this one, as I see injury, say the injured person, I say no, I go talk for this one. Because Stanley now feel they claim set for Ring Road, for Airport Road. They go other communities, they say why people retrieve their lands. Why many people they go through hell for your community, Igbomo community. You know if you talk say it not concern you. This matter concern you because now when you and Owenaze was a chairman, I be youth leader, you be vice that time. Before government appala some scrap CDA. It be like una not come in again as Okagele. It be like una come pull one guy when they call Caesar. I don't know him. I don't even know whether he know me. So now the Caesar now the Caesar now they go try to reset the guy land. So Stanley, I beg, anywhere Stanley dey, make una call her for phone. Make it come watch. Because this one are your area. Now your village be this, now your community be this. And they say you are still very active in youth and community activities in Igbomo. Because here community kakabori here. I sweat. I want my way. We are when I hear already a bayari, but so I will away walking 10 plots. I think okay at 25. So you go Sakwa, it's very sweet. Community work, they're very, very sweet. The money they're very, very sweet to eat because they come every day. Who not buy land, go pay for development. Who not pay for development, go pay for crops. Who not pay for crops, go pay for a molu. So any who not pay for molu, go pay for signboard. Many things there where people money they come out for community. So they say you still there very active. So please, we need you, Osakwonokwodim, to help us. You know, you say you be activist, you fight for people when they collect their land. And this one, I wish this matter now other community, I'm not going to mention your name. This one are your community. Now your community be this one. So now you will feel resolve this matter. Besides, now your PA when you were the vice chairman of Igbomo community, now I carry this boy come buy this land 6 years ago. Your PA, you were there. In fact, you fair even advertise the land for your social media platform. Everything there, my phone, yeah. They don't forward everything, come for me. Me, I know the fish shout. If you want me to help you do anything, you will send me evidence. I don't say because me as I'm going to hold it, we know they talk. You carry, you can't say anybody if you don't send me information, I just come rubbish and no. I'm not even here to rubbish Osakwonokwodim. But this one, Osakwonokwodim village, now you will resolve them. I don't expect, especially I will be member of una committee. Or that una chairman, that fair guy, I don't know the guy name, Color Day, una many. Even Apostle Alfred, who you know are dead the committee too. So maybe they will need to call you, say, as a member of the committee, what did they have for your community? Now you should go resolve them. So I beg, so I could hold it. I want to play the message what the boy sent for me. I never met him before. But now justice in the fine. I beg, make una help me. Make una help Edo people help this guy. I beg, now beg with the beg. So make I play what he said come for me. So even the matter don't enter more than that time from the information when I don't gather. And I don't feel see the person where they injure so I don't know how Facebook will say because now the the person where they injure so I know we move fish on. The person where they injure so me, I not go fish on. My Facebook not gonna go give me wahala. See blood everywhere. See blood everywhere. See they cut all the body. See I not go fish on, but I'll fish on for WhatsApp. I not go fish on. May just try cover and small. See I ain't be this. I not fish on. Today I not fish on. So make I play the audio. Make una listen to this one Osakweno Holding October 8th 2016. Now he advertise this land. See my people, make una see I don't understand this iPhone. Why this iPhone they give me issue now? Make una see am. Now, so I'm going to hold him be this. So, see, October 8, 2016, now he advertised his land. He said, land for sale along Benin Bypass Road, Iguamo community. A land measuring 200 by 100 by 200, suitable for filling station development, has been displayed for sale along Benin Bypass Road, Iguamo community. Interested persons should contact Comrade Stanley Osakweno via inbox for further discussion. See, and I be this. Now the property be this when you advertise so. Then now your people be this for your community. So they say that the PA be that your former PA when carry this guy come buy the land. So the thing there now just you. So not be waiting you go fear avoid. Not be waiting you go fear avoid. Now just now you and them. But they say not be now your chairman they give money that time. Your chairman I represent the community. And as we speak, in fairness to Owenaze, the guy even tell me say he call Owenaze, your former chairman, where you do vice follow. Owenaze talk say na him get the land. Say may not mind the new Okagele. So please, my brother Osakweno Holding, you na person when they fight for people. I beg you go help us do this one. Make I play what he sent. Come give me.
Hello, Mr. Herbert. Good evening. There's something I wanted to discuss with you regarding Stanley Osakweno Holding, activist in the morning, land grabber at night, regarding his indirect involvement on land grabbing activities in Iguamo community.
Okay, you can send me a voice note because I'm in a meeting now. Send me a voice note. Thank you. So when you contact me, I can't make you send me voice notes.
Issue now regarding one plot of land, 2x4, and another 2x4 along Iguamo community bypass. Stanley Osakweno Holding was the second in command of that community when I purchased the land, and the PA now carry me go there, go buy the land. these two land, the 2x4, the first one, and my brother and buy am. The other one, 2x4, and me buy am. My own when they now, 4 flats. The decking level currently. I was supposed to do the decking. That was last year when I came to Nigeria, but because of COVID-19 and I have to run back because of this lockdown, I decided to postpone to this year. So now when we say I prepare for my vacation to come back to Nigeria, I say me they go clear. So they can find that say these people go the fence from behind. They come the fence from behind, they take 1 by 2 from my land. So now take carry caterpillar, I go break am. I report the case to Stanley Osakwonokwo. They say, Stanley, see you, land owner say for me, wetin come be the reason of all this? Stanley in the beginning, they ask me, say, make I bring documents. And me know for sure, say, if you give community your documents, when they don't see the date when they sign the document, they don't see people when they sign her, they go forge another document, come out, go bring one person come and say, he buy the land 20 years ago. See a paper. Now I tell Stanley, say, this land when they say me bring document, I not get dispute with an individual. I say they sold the land 2 times, say me community contractor. If they say me break documents, can't go give community when they want drag land with me, may they still judge the case. So after all said and done, bros, I tell Stanley about the issue. Stanley no talk. Now still the same Stanley P when carry me go. Now them. Now ain't go the point the land when they say along bypass. They give this present chairman. This present chairman. The guy when go the point and Samuyi Evans. You don't first post the picture one time around 2017 or so. When they arrest them for police station, you post their picture one time. This same Samuyi Evans, now be the PA of Stanley Osakwonokwo. When Stanley Osakwonokwo was the vice chairman of Igbomo community. As I report this issue, tell Stanley Osakwonokwo, he said, "May I print my paper?" I send the previous, because I had 2 papers. When they sell the land, they give me one old paper when their grandfather did to them, till they sign. Then I can't get to go inside community, go meet elders, current elders, can't sign paper for me. Because if one way they be just said the land for me, the elders don't die. So when I go sign, I can't go sign from the current elders' hand. I pay crops for that community. And I fence the land round. This 2x4, to fence 2x4, not be small thing. I fence the land round, almost 12 coach. Now I fence that land. Round. I be 12 or 11 coach. Now I fence the land round. Now, after 6 years, when this chairman year resume, the Stanley and the people begin to point land. This one are 2x4. They'll collect 1 by 2. This one are 100 by 100. They'll go quick fence. Another 1 by 2 from inside, or 100 by 100. Those 50 by 100 from inside. I don't talk to them. I don't tire. I got to Stanley say, this land, you they aware when they buy this land. Your PA they aware when they buy this land. Stanley say, if he talk.
Okay, I just saw Stanley Osakwonokwo's comment. He said, Osakwonokwo is watching live. Yes, thank you, my brother. He did it well. I for say make I call you. I know say I felt they call you for matters like this, but the last time I used it for Edo GIS, I tried to greet you. You call they insult me. Me, I not be gangster. I not go follow you do down what you they do. So I know if he can't call you now. Call the way you take act for Edo GIS. So Stanley just said now that he doesn't know this man. He said he don't know you. So me go call this guy. I'll call the guy now because Stanley now talk say he don't know you. And when we talk about
they go say not being for the former regime, saying I destroy the former regime. I say, that's true. I say, okay, I can't get to report the issue to your friend Emmanuel Agbogun. Or knowing me to me before say Emmanuel Agbogun is a Igbomo activist. Emmanuel Agbogu consider insist say make me bring my paper.
Can you imagine?
This now the same strategy when they collect people land for communities now. They will ask you to bring your paper, and when you bring your paper, then go forge another paper again. Because they tell you say, governor sign Osaudion Emmanuel Agbogu Osanonona Ore Pana Osaitin Osanonona. You know, they say that Osaitin you not correct. That's so they grab people land now. I go meet this current chairman. I talk to the chairman. I say, okay, chairman, what's going on? Chairman say, na Elders say now. I meet Elders. Elders say they not send chairman anything. This Elders can go report me to government house. Say I carry caterpillar. So when they carry caterpillar, I go destroy the fence. You go government house, say I go destroy people property. So for government house, they call me, I show them my document. They find out all my document is correct. I tell them, say, this land don't get CFO. The chairman say, man, forget CFO. Say nobody, even Obaseki no go fit or anything. I tell Stalin this thing. I say now.
Yes, this one is confirmed. Now, waiting many communities now they talk. If you tell them say this land gets CFO, they'll say we CFO. They'll say we CFO. They'll say Obaseki when they give you a CFO, make constant for you and work for the place. They beat people every day. That they break people's head. That they are no man. That they molest people. So Stanley, you say when they do CFO for people, your community don't even recognize CFO. They don't recognize CFO. You they do CFO for people every day. Now things like this, they scare people, developers, investors away from Edo. So people will tell you, say, Abba, let me look for land for Lagos. I don't fit for the Wala for Edo. I don't fit for this for land Wala for Edo. So thank God Stanley is watching. Stanley, this guy, he say your people talk, say, make Obaseki come. Make it come by himself. Then they always dare the governor. Then they always any community where you go. If they try to take your land, you say the land gets your phone. They'll say ya more Obaseki on the CFO no do mudia the winner. If before you do anything, don't beat your engineer. This one, they beat the engineer, they maga the guy engineer, they maga around. Now hospital, the guy go land. So, advice. We ya dimoto. O ya so abe duplex we. O we ya viet. We kabori ye ni kakabo. We want kakabori yo where as vice chairman. So you know fit talk say no, you know concern you again. You know they happen and see. If like the time when they do land business, when they know say now for life. Anything that has to do with that community issue, your name must be mentioned for life. Anybody when do transaction during una government, maybe the person will get land issue after 10-15 years, they will still write your name for court. Court still invite you anywhere you did for the world. Court still subpoena you for you to come to say when you were the vice chairman or the chairman of the community, how you see this matter. So make una when my mama community they come and say hey work here I don't dey by man we want a connection with government yeah we want no Obaseki we don't dey by man I told them I have a community called my grandfather was former Ojonwe. The man get lands. Let me say joke. Then they call us every time we was Otejoma. Yeah, we're here no Otejoma. You know, if I want to come my mama community, I go buy. I go buy where over here with you. If you can't take plot, the afia buy where I no go to let belezem and number one money. But tango my younger brother is here, Bright Obaze. Now Bright they always go to meet with Tietire, with Tiabatire over here community. Amen. As we speak, no community don't dash me 10 by 10. No community. community don't dash me 10 by 10. I don't ask. I don't accept dash. I buy. So that when you collect my land, I will know some my property you collect. Not be property when you dash me, you later collect them back. So Stanley, your PA, your former PA is involved. You were the vice chairman, or when Azay was chairman. So now you, the guy, really they measure. You know they measure when Azay like that because now through you and your PA. Now he say you even join people where go check the place before you pay, before they go bank go do transfer. People more than listen, you know. So a matter of my brother, Wawa survey. Wawa survey, my brother.
Nah, wait till now discredit Ohen of Okoromina say go defense people land. Now this same act, now you they encourage this current chairman make it do. And you are quiet about it. Then after all said and done, I come meet the community chairman. We sit down, we talk. Later, the community chairman can say, he don't sell my land, give somebody else for 5 million naira, that 1 by 2. Say the only way when go fit come up for the land, say me must give her 5 million naira. So inside there we come begin to argue. They come begin to argue for the whole issue. I can say, make me give her 1 million. Can you beg make me give her 1 million? Say na new chairman, make her try to understand. The boys, make her try to understand. Say 1 million, they make you just stay follow up. So they can't tell us, okay, we'll give one. He say, you no go collect 1 million. Say, I must give her 5 million so that he go give the person when he sell the land for returning money for her. Before he go feel leave that land. Say he ready to die for the land. Now I say, land we done this 6 years, I get existing building. I fence am around. Not be small money they take the fence land. I fence the land around. Now you want to carry. We go government house. Government house say you not get case. They say you not get case. Say my papers are correct. AIG office, all the other already say my paper correct. There are statements he did there. So what it can be you for inside? When it can be say na my own land, now he can see one can carry. Stanley Osakunoko himself, the supporter. I talked to Emmanuel Agbogo, he said a friend. Emmanuel Agbogo not fit talk anything. Emmanuel Agbogo, they sugarcoat me, say I should give them the paper, they should do this. Now I tell Emmanuel Agbogo, are you really serious? This na land where Stanley is saying, say, what do they want to? They say they sell land, they not remit the money to community. Now say, if the previous chairman, where Stanley be vice, begin to sell land for people, they not remit money to community. That will not concern developers. When they go hold the developers, my engineer I sent go work, they use collars, beat and cut, use collars cut in hand. I not fit send anybody go work now for that land. That's just the problem. Stanley Osakunoko himself, he know about this whole issue. He make an advert regarding this same land along bypass. As at that time, if the land is not genuine, why they sell us at that time? Why the elder sign? All this they are crook way of collecting this thing. Now I say, I beg make help me. I suffer for that money when I do this thing. As I buy the land finish, that's why I go take loan for EcoBank to fence that land. Now loan I take fence that land. I use 1 year to pay that loan for EcoBank. Before I come back to Nigeria again, do foundation. They can go reach a decking level. I don't know why these people want to just frustrate themselves for nothing. I don't just know. Okay, you, the community chairman, go AIG office, go see what's in the side. Community chairman, no one get go. AIG invite him, no one answer. EFCC invite him, no one answer. Officer, military police invite him, no one answer. He be in the road, they follow everywhere. And if I send worker go, they will beat them, use cutlass, cutting them. This one where they caught my engineer, when they caught just now, I spent 87,000 to treat that guy. See now, you not get hand, you not feel they use your hand where to take work for yourself. I see the feed till in hand, which is very bad. I beg. I just want you help me, I beg.
Oh, wow.
This that when Stanley Osakunokodi, the same year, now I buy this land. The problem when they get now, they don't know who signed for me, they don't know the date. If not, they don't forge documents, come and say, now somebody get her. You when the activist say land grabber must go, land grabber must go. Now you they do this one. But when Okoromina must go to jail, now you they do the same this thing. Art. They hide under the carpet of this vice chairman, they commit atrocities. All the land when you say, you they point them. The one when people leave, you point them. Or you're gonna cut from here. Or not tell them a paper. I'm gonna cut from here. This land, so it gets your for. You say the current chairman say, you not get what the government go down. Say not get what your Obaseki go down. Even if my land gets your for. Say don't sell land for 5 million. If I not give her 5 million, I know nobody go bid for that land. The first time waiting the chairman claim, he claimed before say the land na community town hall, and I get that 1 by 2. Now so we have community town hall for get town. Come got to contact whether they call this housing and anything. They can't bring the plan of Iguamo. Town hall not there. The land so when they talk now, Okwobo, the nearby community now ain't get out, but court can't give judgment in favor of in favor of Iguamo. Now Iguamo come be quitted, they sell the land. From there the boy come down to change math, say na elders. I go elders. From there he change math. Elders say they don't sell now. He change math. He say he don't sell the land. Okay, you don't sell the land. He say 5 million. Now say okay, we'll go see in court now. The court change math against him and go meet elders. Another elders, now the boy go arrange con. These same elders when arrange con, so courts don't give them restraining order, including the same Okagele, to parade themselves as the chairman to do anything concerning the community, any community activities. Court already give them restraining order. But you know one will follow. If I send workers go, they'll go beat them. This now when Stanley Osakunokodi make the post. And I buy the land around this time, 2016 too.
Imagine.
This other guy behind Stanley Osakunokodi, that's the PA, Evans Osamuyi. I know this guy for a very long time. Now in carry us go. Stanley was aware. Stanley knew. Fully. Everything when they pay 12 million naira, not be small money. 12 million.
12 million.
Not be small money. Don't talk of the money when they take fence. Don't talk of the money when I do use bulldozer. I take bulldozer the whole land. Not to talk of my foundation. The building when they there 4 flats. The other one of my brother, nobody don't go there. Nobody don't go inside. Now my side, that their eye just there. My brother's side, the vet center, and I did that side. I'm not coming go more to come invest money, make somebody come scramble my money.
See, now the picture be this now. Now the boy be this Osamuyi and Osakunokodi. So Stanley, you know if he call they say you don't know what they happen here. Yeah? See, now you and the boy be this now. Now the guy send me all these things. See the date 29th of June 2017. And you and the guy be this. See the injury with they give people.
The photo of the guy when they caught, maybe this one was.
See.
This other guy behind Stanley Osakunokodi, that's the PA, Evans Osamuyi. I know this guy for a very long time. Now in carry us go. Stanley was up.
Brother, they always call for inside this program, Jolly.
So man around town.
Jolly, we know they always call and they complain. Now, 2 occasions they call now. Say land when buy for Iguamo. You can make sure one Caesar. When it be say break entire fence. I think on our own year we don't try to reach Caesar. All the appointment will be say we don't feel say motor reach him. We never see if he reach Caesar.
They are above the law.
Don't give us on 2 hours.
They are above the law.
We say he never feel keep. But we can't go meet the community community secretary. And that one can't really talk to us. He said the way things be, in fact, the way he describe there, like I say, different issue they there now. He said the truth of the story, he said that whenever they always they call, enter inside this program, he said, now he bam that land from the community for 200 by 400, now he say buy for that years back. He said the time we buy, say buy for community, they buy they are doing way they are alive, they 6 years back, say in a secretary of the community that time. He say up to now, in civil secretary, say wait this man come back. He said, but when this man buy, say don't get problem. Say, but now when the other way come die, the consumer they put on that other way before that time again, the one way they be one put, that one can still get issue, it can still late. Say before you know it, they happen another fashion can come again for the community. When it be say contract, they go court. See as they talk now, court can put court injunction. May anybody now parade themselves as audio way or at the audio way for the community. Say, but before you know it, the other group go form youth caucus when it be say he can they do all these things for the community now. He say make him tell us the truth. He say Jolly Benovia he buy that land from the community when they are late or their way they. He say in a secretary that time he sign or their way sign. He say that community now he sell land for them. Why they call they worry Benovia now Jolly Benovia now later one I know no better. Whoever break a time fence he say to him make Jolly Benovia take legal action against him because na community na so for and not be say buy for corner or buy for individual and say come community direct come buy that land that time. Why then they worry and now he don't know because he passed through procedure to acquire that land that time. Now what you will get from the community na be that one will be say na he be a secretary that time as we see this so na he be secretary because nobody don't can take over that office for him.
My guy, God will bless you because that Igoma commissioner, one of the peaceful community before, but since when this matter, God will Jolly will never call the college of the program. That means to say Iki day. And at the same time, I want to beg the correct everybody when in that community. Good name better pass by name. So I beg me and try to protect that name to make sure say that land when belong to Jolly, may they give it to her. And you see. Okay, if I continue to thank you because when issue of land come for that this side for supply for when go on side, yes, you step in and everything come to the peaceful and I trust those people will listen.
So as I talk, I think the community or the people in this crisis they there make them use different how they look this matter with the grant as the secretary in don't talk the truth of the matter. So to me. May anybody not worry Jolly. In that time, good morning.
My people for us, good morning, my brother. Good morning. I wish everybody.
Now Jolly get the land. Land where the guy buy 2016, 6 years ago. To imagine person will invest 12 million buy land 6 years ago. Go carry loan for Lapo. For EcoBank. Take face the land. 6 coach. Come put building inside. 4 flat to decking level. Now they can't go cut from the back. Now get CFO. Community go tell you say, which CFO? Go call Obaseki come. Obaseki will give you CFO. Go call and make constant here when you build. So what is now the essence of people? Are we telling people to go do CFO? If it's not working, if government will give you CFO, no go fit ensure say the CFO work. Community they respect the document. So why will not people to come use CFO secure your land? If community youth, community leaders, or John Were, or Kagele, Nogie, they get the state to say, show where your CFO. They don't tell me many times. Now, property, they say. So, and they get steady engagement with all these community people. Make I try to call the guy. Stanley, not be honest when they talk, say, you don't know the guy. Oh, make people come watch your live video. Not be that one be the talk now. You now people when they go, you go Okoromi, go they fight Ohe, say Ohe carry teacher land, Ohe must go to jail. Me not to say that you say this one. Now your community, and I'm through you and your PA, now the boy buy the place. I don't feel sell land for person now. The person will come get issue. I'll say, and it not concern me. Make the guy go carry it cross. Person where invest 12 million 6 years ago. I was like, hold it, before you became vice chairman of Igbomo community, you don't see 2 million naira cash. 2M cash. We don't accept for streets. We don't accept for social media before they make you vice chairman. You don't see 2 million naira cash, say your day. Or you don't buy, show the land when you buy before you became vice chairman. Man, try call the guy. If he's still awake. Thank God say the matter don't enter Manaranta. Manaranta now don't make call. The secretary went there that time.
Hello?
Hello, brother.
Rose, good evening.
I greet you, sir. I just hear my voice. Now it clear say you dey watch me.
Yes.
I don't know whether they read the comment section because Osakolo what did they watch just now. But it be like he body they pepper am. Cause you know say now don't people now want to take this matter up now. This will not be only your matter again. Now everybody want to take this matter up until they leave your land for you. But Osakolo what now they talk say he don't know you. So how the matter play? He say he don't know you.
Even Osapon hold the comment, I not go face him because he don't block me when I post for a page one time.
Okay, wait. See the last one where he writes now. He still watch us now. Osakolo, you are still here. Eh? The guy is online now. Now this will not be voice note again. Now I dey follow talk now. I just call him now. His name is Bros. Abeg, introduce yourself. Abeg.
My people, good evening. My name is Jolly Omarike Benovia.
Okay.
Most
Okay, because now your name now, if your Safoma still mention yours now for Manaranta and Abi.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
See the comment where Osakolo what they just comment now in the watch now. He say na me say for am. He say na me break in fence. Ask him whether I deal with him when in they do the transaction. Ask him whether he tell me say he want buy land. Why you dey find my own abat? He dey tell me now say me dey find him for the matter. He say no be himself for you. He say no be him break your fence. That's what tell you he now don't confirm now to the word now say they don't really break your fence. So when he's trying to call me, so when wait, make him talk first. I will call you. I will call you for you to also talk. So when wait, make him first talk. Then you will call and I'll tell you when to call and on WhatsApp you will for call me. You understand? Now he say whether him dead there when you do the transaction, he say he not set for you. He not break your face. He not dead there when you do transaction. Say why you can't mention his name for the matter.
Okay. Stanley Osakunohodi. Your PA during 2016, when on make adverts on one sell land for a long bypass for Igbomo community. Your own PA in Nkaremikon community. You yourself, you did here when we did talk about the land matter. Now still carry me. We enter more to go the land, go check. Now 2 plots, one 2x4 and another 2x4. My brother collect one, I collect one. So you know if you talk say you not did there, you did there when it be say they do the transaction, your PA and Nkaremikon. Even they will give me assurance, show me your Facebook page and now this guy, this activist Daniel Sakunogodi, your PA, they work for me for Sapler Road that time. When it take Nkaremikon, they want to buy the land. From there, when we settle everything for community, now we take go bank, go do transaction. This same issue arrive, immediately arise. Now you are still call, talk to. You when you know I take buy land, they say make I go bring paper come. You know I take buy land, you say make I go bring paper come, make you see people when it's sign up. So Stanley, that time when you dey sell the land, when you take make advert 2016, now fake land now they sell at that time. if I not buy the land or the land not genuine, how I go fit take fence am? I pay crops, so Stanley, you don't forget. I fence the land. I use bulldozer hands. Most of your community boys come there when I the bulldozer hand. I use bulldozer hand. I fence am. I built 4 flats inside. Now when they say the land just push more, you now still your boy and you they hide under the same chairman, Siva. They begin to point land when I don't first say. Recently, now so you post say a car for land. Stanley, why? Waiting me do you? After all the suffer, when I suffer for abroad, you use money, come to buy land for our community. The only thing when you fit pay me back, not to grab my land. Why, Stanley?
Okay, before this time, because from the way Stanley they talk like say he don't know you, but you just confirm and say Stanley don't already block you for your Facebook, so you know the see post. Then which time you contact call him when he tell you say when you bring paper come?
I feel the first time when I even sent Stanley one WhatsApp message. Now he said make I bring paper. The first time I just called Stanley direct. Now Emmanuel Agboku gave me Stanley number the first time. So I called Stanley direct, talk to him. Emmanuel Agboku said talk to Stanley. I community with that. I talk to Stanley. I call him, tell him, say Stanley, see what thing they happen. Land owner said for me. During the time now in our region, you were the second in command of that community. The land now, they go defense. Stanley, they say, make I go bring paper, come. Now I take call him. When I come WhatsApp, I can't give him because now 2 documents. The first one, when they first get, when the Word of John ready, and this recent one. So now I got to Stanley, say, me bring paper. Now I say, I go bring paper, come. When me don't already know what the community
they do.
If you give them paper today, they'll go do your paper. From your paper, they'll do counterfeit. They counter you. They don't concern the community. You won't be community, say maybe paper come, you can still judge my case for inside the same community. How is that possible? If you get this food, say the land not belong to me, take me to court. I don't beg them, they carry me go court. They're not going to carry me.
So this issue of this land matter now, when this wahala start, when it start?
The moment it started was around last month. The day when they break the land, the day when they enter my fence, I use bulldozer that destroy them. Then the boys come with guns and cutlass to show everybody. The evening of it now, I call Stanley. In the evening of it now, I call Stanley. That was last month.
Now, the Stanley is a former PA when they say Osamuyi. The former PA, the Stanley, you don't call him because now he introduce you to Stanley, carry you go meet the community. Is he aware? Is the boy aware?
The former PA is aware. Even the former PA, from the information I got from the community, they said it's the former PA that decided that brought them there.
Now he can't point the place for them when they can't cut inside.
Now he points my land, give them. Even the Siva said the same thing. Say, Epa, I beg no vessel. Now somebody still show us your place. Who can be the person who will show them if not be them? According to all the information when I get. And everything, if Stanley say na lie, you prove day. If Stanley say na lie. Say you don't know me, prove day. Samuel Evans never die. John Boo when I say never die. All these people did the community when I
okay, the time when you pay, as at the time when you pay, because you talk and now say Stanley was the vice chairman or when Azel was the chairman. Who you give the money? Yes. Was Stanley present on a back? Because if it be vice chairman, not me say he did there when you drop the money. Was he present? Was he there when you give them the money? Or on a transfer you do? How you take make payment to the community?
Yes.
Hello?
We'll send you, the chairman follow you, and some others and some youths follow you go bank. That transfer will do for the money. You know if you carry 12 million cash as at that time.
Hi.
Now transfer. Immediately I pay finish. Now that time now I take on after I even still bring the application. After maybe 1 week, now I apply for loan for EcoBank. when they give me when I take do that fence. When I take fence, at least they say fence go fit still protect your land. Now I take fence and test the land. If somebody go come outside, nobody come out. My land not be say they sell land for 2 people. Now community wins still sell land for me see the track. Now you will hear am from the secretary mat. It's in a big land.
So, but all this is where they happen now. You don't call Owenazeh, who was the chairman at that time. Stanley was the vice.
I don't call Owenazeh. Owenazeh say na Miguel land. Say me cannot mind those people. They just they parade themselves. If you still hear them, you hear say contingent they there. They not be your chairman. But why Stanley go to support Caesar to become chairman? Why Stanley go still be active youth for Egbomo community?
Well, are you saying that Stanley is still doing community work? He's still active?
Active youth in Egbomo community is still going to meetings as we speak. You can confirm for many youths.
Well, now community will not get properties. I believe so. You go. I mean, I not get property for Egbomo, so I not get for Ikwombo, so I don't really know what they happen for. That's right. So what do you want to make Edo people all over the world watching you now? What do you want to make they help you do now?
I want to make the enemy beg Stanley. Make the enemy beg Stanley. As they go to point my land, give that Caesar. Make they still go tell Caesar, make he leave my land for me. I don't fit carry work, I go work for the land. Now I don't already plan my vacation. I don't buy tickets to come. House I not go fit do again. Build I not go fit build. Because of this thing, they say my CFO na ordinary paper. Let I go call governor, make it come.
Hey!
You say not get waiting for me. Now so they tell me, they say make I go call governor, make it come. The last time when I go, they say if I come here again, bring any of my paper, they go tear or they go shoot me. Can you imagine? Not be.
They don't fit shoot you. The month I don't already reach out with day. They don't fit shoot you. They don't fit shoot you now month the day. We still know road where we will show you where we say maybe at the end of the day. Since they are above AIG for here, they are above police, they are above EFCC for here. You still get people where we will fit polo then come out. Wherever they day, they'll fit polo then come out. Me, I want to tell you say that your property, you invest. I wish maybe that time you say you want to live your whole life. If you buy a car of 12 million at 2016, I believe say everybody go to hear you for the food money. The reason why you invest the money and make it be say after some time, you fit sell one part, then develop one part. Why many people they buy big land, they'll buy 10 plots. Okay, in future, I will use 4, 6. With the 6 when I want to sell, I'll still make the money when I invest. So my brother, don't let them threaten you. All these communities, there's a big threatening people where they carry gun, carry cutlass, they get riffraffs, they get touts when they use it, say, what vahun, what bonwe, what bonbo. As far as the former chairman of Owenazeh, which the time, get one time where some issue come up for Egbomo, I don't call Stanley Sakono Holding. I don't call her because the reason why I don't want to call her, may not talk say because me with the whole they get social media issue. I want to drag her into the matter. I called Owenazeh, and I like the way Owenazeh take talk for the matter. And I'm very happy that Owenazeh they confirm to you say that your land, say that you get the land, say nobody will fit drag that land with you. And that is what I also expect from Stanley, who was the vice chairman there. And I PA and I bring you come. So I know the Stanley from West Stanley, they say he don't know you. So make I pick Stanley call, because Stanley they try to call me since. Make I pick Stanley call.
Yes.
And hear you talk.
If Stanley say he don't know me, well for Koromina, he know the person before he go to fight land grabber. Waiting this guy they do not be land grabbing. Why Stanley go they lie? Why he go they lie?
Okay.
You don't know. Waiting you be activist for. Emmanuel go the same thing. Because of say Stanley my friend, he keep quiet for the thing. They sugarcoat me, they go up and down. They tell me say, Stanley had the start, Stanley cannot face the case. This is I say, see what this man they talk. Make I bring my paper. You've not gone there to see the land. Now you're asking me to bring my paper. You didn't even go and check if what I'm saying is correct or not. Your first thing is bring your paper because they know what they are doing. Recently, he posted car for land. Where the land is, Stanley.
Okay. He post for if this is a car for land.
Yes, now recently. maybe 2 or 3 days ago for a page.
Otoiro. I want to know 6, 7, 8 years ago. A committee of by him Otoiro. So committee says some land for 400,000, 600,000, 800,000. There, those land now don't go 7, 8 million. Now those land they reset now. You are not supposed to eat your cake and still have it now. You cannot eat your cake and still have it. So no wala, my brother. Me, you still don't stand by. If there's any need for me to bring you back, I want pick Stanley call and I want make you listen to Stanley.
Okay, boss.
Hello?
Yes, good evening. This is Usap Winogudi.
Okay, I greet you.
All right.
You don't follow this matter. You don't hear the guy name. You hear man around town.
Yes.
Man around town don't already involved for the matter.
Let me speak now. Take my indulgence, please.
No, now pigeon you will use her.
Give me. It is only you give them opportunity. I beg. Let me talk. But first, make I start to declare.
No, but I don't want to give you time, I don't want to give you time because that time when I say make I not allow head talk. They say when I say I betray the trust of the people by allowing Ohead to talk. So
first, Evans was never my PhD. It was when I was speaking. That is the first.
Okay.
And secondly, I stopped vice chairmanship activities in 2019.
That's 2 years ago.
Good. Then as we speak, my communities get elders. They get people. If they choose anybody, you cannot tell me that because I know they do community issues. If my community needs my interest, I will say I'm not going to be part. If I tell you, I will not say anything like here. Now let me go to what this man just said. First, as we speak, I don't even know when this man buy land. I know that when you ask a question, just ask him. Hello, was Stanley there when you get their money? He said they say what they following, they do transfer. To which account? That is one. And second,
he said now to Owenaze account. Owenaze was the chairman and you be the vice. He said now Owenaze in pay to.
Good. One thing I would have expected from you is this. Since you know he send the paper, give community when they don't go for jump. Send you the paper, make you check who and who signed document for them. I don't know one, I don't know two. Now, in respect to these same issues with this man talk, land grabbing activity will reply for two. They not give us office, say, this is your office, it's your job to be fighting. It is voluntary. Now, this man, you cannot blackmail me to be part of it. He said he called me because he made a free paper. On what basis? Now, let me tell you, as we speak, this man is only dragging me into his personal discussion. I'm not selling for this guy. I'm not even the way to do transactions. Let me tell you, in communities, you have good, bad, the ugly. I will not tell you that I'm 100% perfect. He mentioned somebody's name just now. As we speak, I open down for social media to everybody. I sold land. Clearly not this. But say this particular land where this man is talk, zero. Then when they talk about advance 6 months.
Okay, you sell some lands, but not you sell this one. But we're here so.
Everybody's aware. Now, apart from that, yes. This same land that you're talking about, the advantage you're talking about, if you are willing, anytime come, I'm going to show you the land along the road.
But they say when I go beat me, tear my hand, that's how they use cutlass, they cut people that for. I don't think that place.
No, listen, you cannot take this as an object of ridicule. We are not joking here.
But the guy showed me picture of the engineer when they cut his hand. He go treat for hospital.
Excuse me. Now, anything that happens in Upper St. Xavier, where you are from, they will not call you that something is happening in St. Xavier as if you are the governor of St. Xavier.
Me mark your talk. If I was vice chairman of St. Xavier,
excuse me, put it to this man that he is only looking. Okay, why is he not begging me?
Okay. Okay, Stanley. Okay, Stanley. Wait, oh, may we conclude this matter. Wait, may we conclude this matter. Wait, may we.
You're not dragging me to say, Stanley, leave my land. Has he ever seen me on his land? Has he ever seen me coming with very good to say, don't enter here? Have I communicated with you before? Why is he not calling me? Because I'm going to leave my land. To have a business with you? This is just a calculated attempt to drag me out. And I'm willing to come out. But let me tell you the truth. He cannot blackmail me to the path of his life. I cannot be blackmailed into his life. Let him try. Anybody who saw the land.
Okay, now, okay, Osakwolokodi, what? Okay, oh my God, this thing, it just dey funny. It not supposed to be funny, but it dey funny to me. You know why?
This is what you are getting at me. This is what you are looking for.
No, excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Osakwolokodi, excuse me, sir. This is not a matter of getting. This is not a matter of getting at you. This is a matter of I am calling on you to use your good office as concerned those fighting against land grabbers.
What good office are you so talking about? This office was given to me. You are telling me to use good office.
No, one office in a buwa. Office in the uwa kave in a buwa. So he might push you in a buwa.
The best thing is this. The way to fight this battle. Help this man. Fight the one more community. Come and fight us. This man involved. Drag me alongside.
Name your boy has been now. Automake here. Now you want help us runner.
You can do well to jump online to discuss all this. You should be quick enough to as well take part. It was a way what is involved. Just barely. Come to online to say this was my investigation. This was the sponsors of what it did. Come on and say this man is just coming out to blackmail me for what? And I cannot be captured into assisting him. Let him go and fight this fight. I'm not going to let him fight this fight.
You should fight this. Now fight. Now fight. But not be fight now. Land grabbing not be fight. One or not tell teacher.
What is he saying that this will please leave this land? Is this not feeling in his land? Did he get this land? Bro, we sold land. I will not dispute that. Not any vice chairman who tells you that they did not sell any land. That vice chairman is a liar. I sold. But what I can say here is this. I never sold one land for two people. I never did it. I am telling you this now, Abba.
Okay, Osakwolokodi, this land, excuse me, sir. Osakwolokodi, this particular land, Jolly, it don't reach man around town, it don't go community, they don't call community secretary, they don't call Welanze. Do you know this particular land? You know the location where this land is?
Hold on. I know Jolly.
Okay, you know Jolly, you know the guy.
Hold on. Oh, Jolly, not the John. The Jolly when I know. He not the John. He did not to see. Nothing I told my daughter. Nothing if you remember. Are you getting it? Wait. Just tell me so many things. Let me drink water. My voice is cracked. I don't like it. Now, this particular man called Jolly, his brother is talking about one of them has a land. As far as this particular guy is concerned, believe me, I swear with my father's grave, I did not even concern myself with this transaction. I didn't even know him. The person I know is here. In fact, he called me not quite long. That hey, this land matter. I thought it went blank. I did not sell land to you. I was not party to it. Please, if it's your brother, you guys should go and address it. Now, let me tell you why I'm not involved in any of these activities. In fact, I said this from social media, I'm going to repeat it again. The position of the system as well as so people that should go key for the commercial retainer. I spoke to my community to tell them I am no longer interested. I think that's your video. I said, what happened? I said, this. Who investigates? I said, what happened to the New York Academy? I am not supporting any pot at all. But the truth of the matter is simple. When the community said this is where I want to go, who am I? They will not pick me up, they will not pick me come out. I am done. I am facing my private life. I am hustling. But this man should not drag me to.
Okay, okay, Mr. Stanley. Mr. Stanley, but there is the guy sent me one of your posts where you advertise this particular land, where you advertise this land.
If you are free, anytime, come. I will take you to access the land along the road. And I don't regret selling that land in the past because back then I did support you that myself. I said that I won't tell you, I won't lie. I'm not a pretender. I said that I'm not for settling at this man. Any customer who tells you that I was in charge of over 70,000 plots of land. Over 70,000. I tell you, I'm not saying anywhere inside. Who I want to see. But I don't, this man, I have no single business with him. But I'm wondering what this man is calling me to say. I was like, I'm going to leave my land. Have you ever seen him in your land? But I'm not doing your guy. Do I have any transaction with you? I don't ever come to a land to stop you. Did I come to himself? Let me tell you to the go and confirm. Go and confirm. I am the only vice chairman that never sees anybody's property on site. Go and confirm. 70% of land development in my community don't do me. Go and confirm. 70%. Of land developers in my community, they don't know me.
Okay, now, Mr. Stanley Osakwonokwo, the reason this matter now tie you one first. No, it tie you, Mujane Baba, Mujane, it tie you, Baba. Wait, it tie you. You know why? Wait. May I give you 3 points why this thing tie you? First, you be human rights activist. You they fight for people. One of you fight for themselves. Then two, excuse me, sir. Hold on, sir. Then two, you belong to a group called Consigned Edo Youth Against Land Grabbers. 2. Then three, this is your community and you were the vice chairman. So please, you said directly or you not say indirectly, because me, I follow community do business well. That network. I follow community do business well. 2009, 10, 8, 11, 12. If chairman sell land, he will remit part of the money to Enoge or Ojowe. Ojowe will cause a youth, make una carry half of the money. Chairman take service youth. So whether Sally was there, he not there, he was the vice chairman. If transaction come, or when I say not there, when I say get in own court. If transaction come, Stanley not there, or when I say must keep Stanley on. So Stanley was the vice chairman as at the time when this guy buy. Now we don't speak to the secretary. Manarata call the secretary. Secretary said that jolly, I get the land. He don't know why they worried the guy. And so I'm going to say he know this guy. Also, I want to please, if you are watching, what thing I want to make you help us do. Not you go tell who get land, I want to cry, come out. For somebody to fair cry, go man around, that shows that he be not ready to even carry the matter, come where I did. But you don't feel say, because me are you an rival, because me are you the get issue, can I come? Man around don't talk for the matter. As I said, the matter don't enter man around, I feel talk put. Please use your connection. Since we mala love Amen. Emoto, hey, we ame ofioto na umala lowo. But why am not bofioto? Where am no where vanilla la moe? So please, Stanley, we are appealing to you. Somebody will invest 12 million 6 years ago, carry loan, take fence on. Now 2000 along the road though. Now it's 2021. The land now, the value if it don't go like 20-something million. Now that one that guy they say he said, okay, let the guy cut half small comma, which is maybe 1 by 2, when he said 5 million. Imagine how much all the land will be now. So that kind of person when just open wide property one come out for a hand, you don't go say why they mention your name. If mentioning your name will make the guy get the land back, he go mention your name. Like the case of Ohe and the teacher. Ohe said he not sell land for the woman. Say don't know why the woman they drag in name Eta. Say that the former Ojo where the woman get transaction with. It's possible the woman measure Ohe name. maybe with her level everything, it will make the matter easy for her. Which now really at the end of the day make the matter easy for us. So Stanley try to call me, but if I pick your call, I don't come for here. I beg, I don't come for here, Stanley. You don't need to call me. You just need to help us, help this guy. We'll still give you kudos if the matter is resolved. You need to help us now, because on your community, I didn't sure say you know Caesar. Me, I don't know the Caesar. You need to help us meet this house and say, my brother, a matter of casting, I beg, if now you go you go cut this guy first, this matter don't enter social media, and they don't drag my name join this matter. Also say, na me be the vice chairman that time. And when I said already tell this guy, say that this guy didn't get land. And I mean they expect the same thing for starting now to tell us say yes, and this guy get land, may go carry land. But starting now say make this guy go fight. That there is a serious fight there. Because the guy showed me a picture of his workers where they injure. And so they say they carry vigilante motor go, they destroy vigilante motor. So Christ is there already. So Stanley, I beg, this matter now, we don't already hear this matter. May your community, may they calm down for this guy matter. May they remove hands for the land matter. Because if anything happen to this guy, or happen to any of the workers, we will cry, come out. We will join and cry. We will join and cry. So Stanley, please. If maybe as I did, I say maybe I felt do community matter for Amagba. Many of my friends now, they still the time when I buy property for Amagba, yeah. Now, basically they show me road and machine. Don't be that way road, they don't tear road follow everywhere. For Amagba. Many of my land lost. Many they are not for retrieval. Some of my friends who follow me come. They join community matter. They join community matter. Me not join no. Some non-indigene we don't get any relationship with Amagba community. They join the community. Me not join. If tomorrow somebody come in and say, how about that time when you join community, see what happen? No, I said okay. That period, I was the point at that time, or I was the secretary. Yes, since the person where you transfer to that time now, we're in a call. Go resolve the matter. How far now, Caesar? This guy I get the land now, and he knows I get name. Now what they do say no to land grabbing, and this one just did my nose. This one now just did my nose. I beg, I will fit resolve this matter. What many communities they do now? They say you get big land for very good location. They'll can't enter inside the land. They'll say they don't sell part of the land for somebody. You don't want peace because our justice system is poor. You go station, police will compound the case for you. You go court, adjournment, land matter if you even do 10 years for court. So community leaders they prefer to carry the matter go court. So please, Stanley, I will call this guy and I will tell this guy to call you. You need to, if you not help this guy will continue to drag you. Then you don't go get the moral stand to talk anywhere against say they help people, they fight land. So I beg, best way invest. Imagine money was the first 2x4, 2016. That was at that time, this guy spent over 15 to 16 million to secure that place. 2016. So don't you go tell land now how you go take cry. Any I take cry, so I make it get a land back. So please, Stanley, me, I want to go sleep. It's already late. I don't get that strength to call the pick call again. I use Almighty God beg you. You and Emmanuel Agbogu, because you say, you ask for paper. He said, Emmanuel Agbogu says stay for paper. If they fear to send you a paper, man, don't go do guru because there are so person buy before you. So person who first you survey. So now why you don't want to give you paper? You don't want to give anybody paper. The matter at this station. The matter you don't carry the matter follow everywhere. So Stanley, I beg, use your good office as current people where they fight against land grabbing. We want to send Ohe of Okoromi go prison. I beg. Maybe you still help us send your Caesar to prison. Make them, I will bless them. May they join you. Them Apostle Inosa, they call it up by. May they join you. I beg. we could try get this guy land back. You say make you go fight. You don't get straight to fight in our community. You don't get straight to fight in our community. Stanley say make him cry and fight his fight. Now you go help him, you know fit. And you go still help him, I beg. And you go help him, because that's how you were the vice chairman of that community. As vice chairman, you made money, you did a lot for yourself, you were a big boy. Now the negative side of land business be this community business. If your regime come out, another regime enter, that regime will say, crisis will come there. Sometimes if there is a rebel level for community, that one a rebel no to work in a clear to one the boy a so I don't so the what time. Or if we remember, when I told him, 2012, who that pa no ya hear lawyer pa, yeah, we did a very senior. Who that pa, who that no babe pa, no ya hear the one lawyer. A lawyer like I made money block. What about 2012? Yeah, hear who that. So this land grabbing issue. Now, wahala for Edo. Now, serious wahala where government need to tackle. People go home and they fear to buy land. I want to tell you, if you get money, call me. I still know where I will carry you go. You know, you go tie your money for account. Tell me, say, see money when I get where I go put up. See your phone when I give you. They never bond the community chairman will tell me, say, the see your phone will work. Me, I'll go like that in front of government office. Make government come tell me why give me CFO when community no honor. I go like that in front of government office. Just let's see. Now I paid to get this document. Now community no honor. Then the government will not help me ask the community why they no honor government document. We're supposed valid for 99 years. If CFO no fight for person for the year when they release, when they bring a command, now 45 years time the CFO will come work. All these things they affect government too. Government will say that they find money, that they find internally generated revenue. People when they give CFO community they frustrate them. And the government is not doing anything about it. I never hear say they send one Ohengo prison. Say go sell land we get CFO. Or make I hear say the same one no go John we go prison. So the government need to really, I don't say government need to look into this issue of land grabbing again. When they reconstitute the committee, put better people for there. This one say Osakolo. You see Osakolo your own problem, brother. You go you want try and make her now like Abad versus Osakolo Kodi. No, not divert attention because if now you just now you not go give me the opportunity to even talk for your platform. You not go let me talk. Ohe matter will be used one user turn me against diaspora, against Edo people. Now you use your social media mastermind those things against me. If a man chairman there, but a vice chairman where till level, my brother, I don't feel like you. I will be bringing the boy to my platform every day, every blessed day. I will bring her into my platform until now give her a land back. When I go remove her hand from that place. The boy is going to talk my platform every blessed day until government go here. Until Governor Obaseki go here say, wait till they go on for here. The government will now waiting. Because if I to now, not already injure one of the person. Maybe that government will come enter, join and fight now. Make I see whether I'm strong pass. When I strong pass Edo State government. Now when you be vice chairman, they said the land for the guy 12 million naira. When the 12 million enter your community 12 years ago, you don't know say money enter the community 12 million. 2016. 2016, 12 million enter community. You know what money enter. Umaewo. Ojo way back okay, go no okay, what is 6 in the 6 million in one youth, why I got 6. Umaho, where 12 million like community. You know here. You know here. Umaewo. The guy is still trying to call me.
Bros, these are more evidence. Stanley cannot deny. Even this current chairman, Caesar, was part of his boys. I don't know why they denied it. Bros, these are more evidence. Stanley cannot deny. Even this current chairman, Caesar, was part of his boys. I don't know why they deny they vibrate. Now, so liars, they always vibrate. Not they vibrate. Explain yourself. Explain yourself. Why are you denying Stanley? Why? Why? You said so. I should give you what they call it, my land document. I sent the first one to you on WhatsApp. You checked. You never replied. You blocked my WhatsApp. On Facebook, you blocked me, so I could not reach you. Why are you lying now, Stanley? Why? Why are you lying? Say the truth. Speak the truth. I thought Stanley's for the truth and nothing but the truth. Land grabber and activists in the morning, land grabber at night. It's unfair. It's unfair, Stanley. It's unfair. You know what Caesar is doing is wrong. You know what Caesar is doing is wrong. Even till now, there's contingent that nobody should parade themselves. As a community chairman or Okagele, you know Obaseki has banned Okagele. Why did you still support Caesar to become an Okagele? Stanley, why are you lying? Why are you lying?
See, now the document, your name did the document now, Stanley. Not be your name, be this. Now, why am I over there? While I told you, no go ya beluwa. Why bel wagbon?
Hello, bros.
Hello, bro. I greet you.
Stanley, they lie. Stanley, they lie. Stanley signed for the paper. That PA signs my weakness.
You see,
Look this paper when I signed for you.
I don't see Stanley name. I don't see Stanley name.
He they lie. You see, I say not know me to the general public. This word, This word. You see, so at least this will prove my point. Say, what thing are they talking are true. If you deny, am I still looking to the document? It vibrates as if say somebody kill him, mama.
Nobody will enter that place. Don't worry yourself. Fight on. They never born. No, they never born the animal who will go build that place. That land don't hang for their throat. Enough is sell down. Maybe now waiting go send the Caesar to Oko, like it is.
Amen. Thank you very much.
Don't give them the chance, so follow them up. I beg. After this is constantly. If you don't get a number, I will send you a number. Call them, make it help you.
I got your number. Stanley blocked me. I say he blocked me for WhatsApp. He blocked me for normal call. He blocked me for Facebook. But when they do up Shaibu and this thing, he knows say my account not be fake account. When I post and say Stanley, why are you mute regarding Guomo community? He quickly block me, say my account na fake account. Yes, sir.
So the document where they with you now. Now you snap for me now we carry Stanley name.
Yes, when I carry a name, I close the date, may they don't know the date.
Yes. I see him. You sharp. You Stanley sign. As vice chairman.
It's fine. It's fine. On behalf of youth.
Hey.
You say no more. Or really go there, or you have the infinity.
If okay, I don't get the infinity there.
Even in land, Now my plan they take build the house, but I can't change my plan last. Now my plan stand to build the house. If you go check my house for Sapler Road, now the same plan. Now this Evans, now I carry my plan go give and let it build. But I change my own for inside. Only the outside now look alike. So you say you don't know me. This is what
No, Allah. At least the document where you, at least don't worry. Me and you will still talk. I get some things that I will tell you. Some things what you need to do. Cause all this we still get another way we will tell the tackle there. But Stanley, I will just advise you. If now for you to drive this night, go Caesar house, make Caesar pack the load, anything when you get for that place, make it get out come for that place. This land don't hang for a truth. You don't get it what you want to. Maybe now when it will appear before the governor, may contact governor say in get power pass governor. Document Stanley, not be your signature date this document so. You say you don't know. No, not be your document. Not be you sign here as vice chairman. Or when I say sign. Or when I say now talk say that the guy get land, you say you don't know the guy. That means you get what you do with this Caesar. You want to make him look like Abba versus Stanley. Abba go carry your wallet and go. Muna remove your hand from this guy land. Matter what but brother, what EFCC they do for the matter? You carry the matter go EFCC too.
I carry the matter go EFCC. EFCC say they invite Caesar come. So Caesar no green answer. They don't invite Caesar 2 times. They go community go find Caesar. Caesar wrong. Caesar not the community. Caesar they wrong. Soldiers go community too. When they cut up well, then they take vest. They go with 2 in-laws. Caesar not there. Caesar wrong. See now Caesar they wrong.
Pursue the passers. Pursue the passers. Pursue the passers. Pursue the passers. Where Budawa? Where Budawa? Where Budawa?
Only thing when they talk, they say, waiting name soldier never go shoot. They say if they go that community, if only the boy around, they go shoot out for leg. Now because of say my dad gets a yard where they park trucks for the same community, that their community too, near corner here. So now that one the country they say the man of 50 person, if 50 person will go burn the trucks.
They're not born anything. They're not now mouth they did, they're not born anything. Now mouth they did, they don't born anything.
For legs since because the young looks like they go.
Pursue the passers so now your property, you don't use their money buy them. When you were working for that money, they're lazy, they run up and down, they look for people now they want to say. Pursue the passers. We are Birawa, me have a good way behind Nayama. Me will call you when I say I don't want to put when I say for this live video. I will call when I say because me and when I say we dey talk once. I will call when I say make it join you. But may you call Stanley. I need Stanley to go meet that Caesar. May Caesar remove hand from that place. So thank you very much. We'll still talk off camera.
Hey, what I say I want to tell you hello.
I hear you.
And then my dad name be Jolly or Marigate Benovia because as at that time, I ain't go stand for us.
Okay. Now normal level now. So my property now my dad name I take by that normal. No. No shaking, bro. I greet you, bros.
Thank you very much.
All right, sir. So thank you very much. It's to level. Now go sleep. Stanley wala okay. Anyway, wala again. You sign Stanley. Oh, now you're sick. Stanley. And also be Mr. Stanley O. Osadiaye for on and on behalf of the elders of Iguamo community. Mr. Owenaze Jombu, FSN. See your signature now. Who were Kai? Oh God. Oh, I want to hear Uma. The document in that area. Uma. Yeah, want to hear. Good night, everyone. Tomorrow we'll talk this matter again. Tomorrow, 9 o'clock. Say no to land grabbing. When I do a meeting, who done in the near Sunday or battery swear. We make us swine. Wow, now they do that say now good pass. Now they paint us bad, paint us evil just to deceive people. You gonna look at remember here. Amen. Why you gonna ya there gonna desperate. You are desperate. Ikhwana. Amen. Why you there? See your name. Don't be your name. Be this so. Make a poster. Don't be your name. Don't be your signature. Be this. Good night, everyone.